Coefficient allows you to automatically import your data into destinations such as Google Sheets and now introducing Microsoft Excel as well. We have integrations across marketing, sales, RevOps, analytics, etc. And you can fetch all of that data right into your spreadsheet. To do a quick demo, let's open an Excel instance. You can see that Coefficient is already installed. Let me open the sidebar once again. And as you can see, there's an option for you to import from a bunch of different platforms. Let's try and connect with ChargeBee and try and fetch some of our customer data. This is our test account. And as you can see, there are a lot of endpoints that you can choose from. There are a lot of objects. Let's say you're interested in subscriptions. Click on Next. And as you can see, you're able to see a subscription, status of the subscription, and other information. You could choose to add more information if you're interested in it. Let's add a couple of fields here. And let's import this into our spreadsheet. Coefficient does a live fetch using APIs of ChargeBee in this instance and fetches data from ChargeBee directly into Excel. As you can see, I can close the app now and all the data that you require is in the spreadsheet right in front of you. Yeah, feel free to play around with a bunch of other connectors that are available around ad networks, social networks, database management, etc. Thank you.